Order flow is a powerful tool to confirm trade entries. One of the easiest ways how to use it is wait for the price to reach strong support or resistance zone and then wait who becomes aggressive, either buyers or sellers. When the price reaches a strong support, you want to see aggressive buyers jump in to confirm your long trade, and when the price reaches strong resistance, you want to see aggressive sellers jumping in to confirm your short trade. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to go about this. Now, another concept is aggressive traders. You want to keep an eye on those, especially when price reaches strong support or resistance zone. So imagine that in here we had a resistance. Again, it doesn't really matter if it was based on volume profile or VWAP or whatever. We had a resistance, and when the price reached that resistance, aggressive traders start to show up. And since this is a resistance, you want to see aggressive sellers. In this case, you can see the aggressive sellers mostly in here. You can see all those selling imbalances. That means sellers are way more aggressive than buyers. So what happened here is that price hit that resistance. There was some kind of absorption right here, first confirmation. And then after the absorption took place, other sellers start to jump in with their market orders. Those are the market orders, and that's what started to move the price downwards. Those are the aggressive traders with their market orders, right? The volumes which you see on bid, those are sellers with market orders. And this is what drives the price. Because if everybody was using limit orders, the price wouldn't really move. The price moves because of market orders, because of aggressive traders, right? When aggressive traders are present, that's when the price starts to move, right? Because they trade with market orders. So you can spot them like this, and it is a signal for you to join them as well, to enter the short too, all right? Again, this is important. You want to keep track of this only when the price reaches strong support or resistance, then it could be the confirmation. It's not like you see aggressive traders going up or down and you push buy and sell whenever you spot aggressive buyers or sellers like this. It's not like that. You want to be patient. You want to wait for price to reach some important area, some support or resistance, and then wait for your confirmation. Could be a limit order, could be absorption, could be aggressive traders. So you need to keep an eye on that, but only around support and resistance zones, right? So again, let's imagine that there was a resistance here. And when the price hit that resistance, there was some kind of absorption, but that's not really what I want to focus on now. I want to focus on what happened next. And that's aggressive sellers. Heavy volumes on bid, right here. Aggressive sellers, and then aggressive sellers in here as well, those selling imbalances, right? So those are aggressive sellers jumping in right after the level got confirmed with the absorption here. They start to jump in, they want to join in that move that's likely to come, and you should do the same. So when you spot this, then you enter the trade. The sooner you spot it, the better, obviously, because when market orders start to jump in, it's usually quick, especially if the market participants are really aggressive. So there's not usually that much time to act. So you need to be quick, right? What I like to see is first confirmation of the level, for example, absorption or limit order. And after that, what usually happens is market participants start to jump in. So what you can do is when you spot the absorption, you can enter your trade immediately after that. But if the absorption is not too strong, or if you're not too sure about it, then you can wait for additional confirmation, and that could be the aggressive traders. Other people, other traders jumping in with their selling orders, with their market selling orders, right? That could be the second confirmation that could confirm your trade entry, right? If you are for some reason not sure after the first confirmation. All right. Let's check out this example. Imagine that we have a support in here. the price comes towards the support, hits it, then might be this could be a buy limit order, might be this could be absorption. Sometimes it's not so clear cut, so sometimes you may not be so sure about that confirmation, so you want to see some additional confirmation, and it could be the aggressive traders. In here we have beautiful buying imbalance in here. This is actually a stacked imbalance because 3 imbalances are at top of each other, and we have another imbalance in here. As you can see, the volumes on ask are rather heavy here, and it seems that buyers are way more aggressive here than sellers. So those are the aggressive traders, in this case aggressive buyers, jumping in, and when you spot them, you jump in as well. All right, so this is confirmation by aggressive traders. And remember, aggressive traders are using market orders. So if there's an uptrend, then aggressive buyers show in here at ask. If there's a downtrend, then aggressive sellers are here. So I hope that you guys liked the video and found it useful. If you want to get your hands on my custom-made order flow software and also on my order flow trading course, then go over to my website, which is traderdale.com, and click this button, Trading Course and Tools. It will bring you to this page, scroll down a bit, and in here you can browse my trading education and indicator packs. If you are interested in order flow, then what you'll want is this order flow pack right here. So thanks for watching the video, see you next time. Until then, happy trading.